Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and lover of makeup. This is my second tutorial that I'm filming today. I don't have a lot of free time right now since my day job is an online retail business, working for an online retail business, and it's our busiest time of the year. I have been packing many packages. So today is my one day off of the week and I decided I wanted to get 2 videos in. And this tutorial is going to be using the Menagerie Whalesong palette. It is a beautiful blue and green palette. And Menagerie is, as all makeup on my channel, a cruelty-free brand, and they are a 100% vegan brand as well. So I am excited about, I like that this has a range of tones. It has some nice, mostly mid and dark tones, but then you have like these 2 pops of lighter color, and this color in particular here is really gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to put that all over the lid. So yeah, and I think that I know what I'm going to do for my look afterward, so definitely be sure and stay tuned until the end of the video to see what fashion look I put together for this. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So first, on a dense fluffy brush, I am taking the shade Dive, and this is a matte kind of sky blue color, and I'm placing this above the crease on the intersection of the eye. Now I'm taking the shade Breaching on the same brush. This is a matte grayish dark blue color, and I'm kind of creating a winged out shape with this color, and it's also adding depth and dimension. Next, I'm taking the shade Reef, and I would say this is a mid-tone green. It's a matte, and I'm placing this between the 2 colors that I've already used and blending those together. Next, I'm taking the shade Whalesong, and this is a dark blue. It's a shimmer shade with a green reflect, and I'm placing this on roughly the outer half of the lid. Next, on the remaining section of the lid, I am taking the shade Fluke, and I would say this is a shimmery seafoam green color. taking the shade Barnacle, and I would say this is a mid-tone grayish blue, definitely a little more gray than the previous grayish blue. And now on the outer section underneath the eye, I am taking the shade Bubble Net, and I would say this is a dark mossy green color. Now I'm taking the House Labs Identify Eyeliner Pencil. I believe this is in the shade Priscilla. It's a light blue color. And now with the shade Pearl, which is a shimmery shade, it's a duochrome. It has a white base with a pink and blue shift, and I'm using this as the inner eye highlight color. And now for the brow bone highlight, I am taking the Double Down Cosmetics X Medea J shade in the light. And this is a kind of white golden base with a green reflect. And right now I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending everything through one more time. And now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Shady Biz and placing this on the cheeks, around the hairline, the nose, and the jawline. And at this point, I realized right after this that I skipped a step. I was going to go in with the highlighter, but then I realized I actually hadn't even finished my eyes, so I am curling my lashes. And as always, I am going to be going in with the Milk Makeup Push Mascara. And now I'm actually going in with the light once more, placing it on the cheeks, the nose, the Cupid's bow, and I just kept adding and adding because I love this highlighter. It's so blinding and it's just so pretty. I really think it's becoming my favorite over the Status. And now to finish off the look, I am taking Double Down Cosmetics the Runaway Lip Gloss, and this is a light neutral color. Look, I really enjoyed playing with this palette. I have heard a lot of good things about Menagerie, and I've been wanting to try them for a while. So when they had their Black Friday sale, it was their store reopening as well. I just had to pick up a few things to give it a try, and I'm definitely really glad that I did. The mattes blend like a dream. They're really pigmented. The shimmers are beautiful. The only one that didn't impress me as much was this pearl shade right here. It's like a pinky shade with a blue reflect, but that honestly could be because I already had a shadow beneath that was darker, and so, I mean, it definitely did something. I mean, I put it in the inner corner and you see it there. I was expecting it to have more impact than it did, but I'll have to try it next time alone without a darker shadow underneath it to see. And I also thought that the Double Down Cosmetics, the light highlighter, was the perfect choice for this eye look. And I made such a mess. It ended up spilling. Thankfully I didn't spill that much. I still have plenty of it left. But yeah, I ended up having to like brush off some of the highlighter that spilled on my hand. And just like take my brush and just like go like this and put it on so that I wasn't wasting more product. Anyway, so yeah, I know what look I'm going to do, so stay tuned for a little while longer, just a few seconds, so that you can see the photos. And definitely, if you like the type of videos that I do, please comment, subscribe, and like this video. That's the wrong order, but there it is. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye!